Hello, hello, and welcome to our August Workspace Spark unboxing. I can't wait to dig in. All right, so this month we are providing you with Revive, Relieve Ergonomic Box. Most of us are at home working, or we are in offices and we are just sitting down too long and we're not having enough movement. So we thought this box would be great for every one of our subscribers. And honestly, I need a lot of these items in this box. Before we start getting into the product, so let's talk about our training. So not only are we going to give you everything you need to be more flexible and help you throughout the day, the training this month was with Donna Davis. Her topic is avoid neck, shoulder, and back strain while sitting at work. How perfect is that? Can't wait for you to see Donna's training this month. Also, have you joined our Career Central? Please make sure that you are in our Career Central. It is our private community. You did receive an insert about it, but it is our online community where we talk all things career. You can share with other people, and that's where you access all of our trainings. So let's jump right on into the products this month. This month, again, is our ergonomic box. So we're sitting down too long, and we thought it'd be great to give you some items to help relieve any pain that you may have or prevent you from having any pain later. The first thing is the compression therapy gloves. So I have developed carpal tunnel in my wrist. My chiropractor said it's because I am not using a mouse and I'm using my trackpad. I know I need to go get a mouse, but I do use my trackpad on my laptop and it's causing me to have carpal tunnel. So these are right on time for me. These are great to wear periodically if you don't have to wear them just because you have any pain. So periodically, but I swear by these and I cannot wait to wear these. Your fingers are always moving. They need love to enjoy the benefits of improved circulation, joint support, and reduce swelling as you work, type, or engage in everyday activities. All right, next up is the high impact therapy spheres, sorry. As you see, so I have another issue of mine I'm working on is I need a better chair, right? And so I'm having lower back pains. So this will be perfect. As you see, it's a belt, and then these spheres vibrate. You can also put this on your foot if you need to, and your leg, but I would prefer it on my back. But this is great if you have any back pain. Next up is the micro roller. You see it here? So you can use this during your hand and your foot. This deep tissue micro hand foot roller is small enough to reach the target hand and foot muscles with precision, providing release of those hard to reach muscles. Try every night after work. How I will use it is on my foot. I have issues now sometimes. My chiropractor also told me not to walk around barefoot. And so because I was walking around barefoot at home, my arch has been really hurting. So at night, or during the day, I can put this on the ground and roll my foot on it. So it's really, really good to get that pain out. Next up, fun compression socks. Now, when I say the word compression socks, what do you think of? Now, when I think of compression socks, I think about my grandma's nylons. These are not your grandma's nylons. These are cute. You know we do it the Workspace Spark way. We could not have you wearing some ugly compression socks. So we thought you should have some really cute ones. Compression socks are super, super important as we sit in our seats all day. Again, I mentioned Donna's training. Please watch her training because she talks about the blood flow from our calves to our heart and how important it is. Compression socks help as we're sitting down too long and we're not moving enough. These are also great for travel. So if you have to fly for a long period of time, compression socks are also a great fit for you. And we got you some cute ones. Last but not least, Coffee of Grace Signature Blend. So we got you the signature blend from the company called Coffee of Grace. This is a female-run company. When we're trying to source coffee for our subscribers, we wanted to give a coffee that also did good in the community. So we want you to indulge in a cup of delicious coffee and do good at the same time. Sourced from local Rwandan farmers who cultivate and harvest each bean with care. Coffee by Grace, a woman-led enterprise, provides hope to Rwandan farming families, communities, fostering prosperity and upliftment. So drink some coffee and also do good. It's always about community. Speaking of community, make sure you join our Career Central where you can connect with other people who are like you. Until next time, I can't wait for you to try all the items in this box and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'm not sure of my favorite yet, but I'll make sure to let you know. Until next time, see you later.